In this video, you will see how to assign and constrain stairs to multiple levels to create a multi-story stair. And you'll also see how to add shaft and vertical openings into floors to create a stairwell. I have the exercise file multi-level stairs open, and looking at the rear stairs 3D view, we can see that we already have a U-shaped stair spanning between levels 1 and 2. We'll need to add in stairs between levels 2, 3 and 4, which we will do by using the multi-story stair tool. Then we'll need to create openings in the floors to create a stairwell. I'll open the stair section view from the project browser, and again we can see those stairs that are spanning between levels 1 and 2. As the height between the levels is consistent at 10 feet, we would use the same U-shaped stair layout for each floor. However, rather than create separate stairs for each level, we can take the existing stair here and use the multi-story stairs tool to have it automatically repeat on the upper levels. So in order to do this, I'll first select the existing stair. Now, from the Modify Stairs ribbon tab on the multi-story stairs panel, we'll click the Select Levels tool. So now we can see that we have level 1 and 2 grayed out, and this is because the stair is already spanning between levels 1 and 2. So we'll select level 3 and holding the control key down select level 4. And then we'll click Finish, and then those levels are added in and we can see the stairs now span between levels 1 and 4. With multi-story stairs, it's not possible to edit the stairs immediately. If I select the multi-story stair here, we can see on the ribbon that the Edit Stairs option is not available to us. We must first hover over, press Tab, and then select the actual stairs within, and then we will see the stairs that are grouped together as they are of the same story height are all pinned in place. And we're then able to edit those stairs, and they will all inherit the same changes that we make. Looking at the top floor, we can see that the stairs don't quite extend up to the roof here, and this is because the roof sits on the level and goes upwards. So therefore, to edit these stairs, we'll unpin them so that they're no longer part of the group, and we can now edit these stairs separately. So from the Modify Stairs ribbon, we'll click Edit Stairs. And now we can simply select the run at the top, and using the drag end control here, we can just drag this up to the top of the roof, and that should add in the extra 2 risers that we need for this particular staircase. So now we'll click Finish Edit mode to finish editing those stairs, and we can see now that they're spanning all the way up to the roof. If I swap back to the rear stairs 3D view, we can now see that we have those stairs created, going from the bottom right the way up to the roof. We can also see that we have the floors going through the stairs, so we need to add some openings in to create the stairwell. As floors 2 and 3 are the same, we can use a shaft opening for that. So from the project browser, we'll open up the floor plan view, level 2 rear stairs. Now, from the architecture ribbon tab on the openings panel, we'll choose the shaft opening tool. Looking at the sketch tools here, we'll change it from line to a rectangle. And now we can zoom in and snap to the corner at the top right hand side of the stairwell here. And then zooming in, we'll get the bottom left corner here, which is the edge of the stairwell. And then that creates the rectangle, but we need to notch this edge here to give some support to the bottom stair. So I'll change the sketch tools to be pick lines, and then we can select along the edge of the riser and then along the edge of the stairs to create those lines. And now from the Modify ribbon on the Modify panel, we'll choose Trim Extend to Corner and just click on the corner lines here to create that enclosed sketch. So now that we have that boundary created, we'll click Finish Edit mode for that shaft opening to be created. And now we'll swap back to the stair section view, and we can see the shaft there in the view going through the 2 floors that we require. And as soon as I deselect it, it disappears and we can see the opening now. Now looking at the roof level, we need to create a different opening as the stairs are slightly longer and the same opening for the lower ones wouldn't work. So as it's just through the roof, we can use the vertical opening tool for this. So from the project browser, let's open up the level 4 floor plan view. And now we'll zoom into the corner where the stairs are. And from the Architecture ribbon tab, on the Openings panel, we'll choose the Vertical Opening tool. First, we need to select the roof to add the opening into. And now we have the Opening Boundary sketch tools available. We'll change this from line to a rectangle. And now we can zoom in and select the top right hand corner of where the opening needs to be on the end of these walls here. And now panning across, we can get the bottom left corner, which is at the top of the stairs. And now with that sketch created, we can click Finish Edit Mode to create the opening in the roof. So we'll swap back to the stairs section, and we can now see that we have that opening going through the roof. And if we swap back to the rear stairs 3D view, we can see now that we have our multi-story stairs spanning across the height of the building, with the stairwells created using the openings.